In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Tron on Binance. So the first thing you're going to need is a Binance account. So there's a link to Binance in the description. And as you can see on Binance, you can do a bank deposit. You can buy with your credit or debit card. Once you come over to Binance, if you haven't already got an account, click on this button that says register. And if you've already registered, then obviously you click on this link here that says log in. So once you're inside Binance, if you don't already have any coins that you can use to exchange for Tron, then you're going to need to deposit some fiat currency into here. So if you come up to buy, now you can either do a bank transfer or you can use a credit card. And from here, you can choose the currency that you want to use. And I'm using Great British Pounds. And unfortunately, if you're in the USA, it's not possible for you to deposit fiat currency into here. So I'm using Great British Pounds. Now, if I want to deposit via my bank account, I click on this one. And as you can see here, it's telling me that I'm going to be using pounds sterling. They're going to charge me £1.95 for a fee. And then I need to put in my details. Now, if you're going to use a credit card or a bank, you're going to have to be KYC. So you're going to have to upload documents and all that sort of stuff. So it's not a quick process, okay, to do it like this. So let's go over to the credit cards. If you click on the credit card one, again, you'll put in the amount that you want to use on your credit card or your debit card, and you'll choose here from the drop down menu the token that you want to buy or the cryptocurrency you want to buy. You'll notice that Tron's not in the drop down menu, okay. I would recommend you either buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, but right now the Ethereum blockchain fees are very high, so it's probably best to buy Bitcoin. And you will then add a new card here, and you'll fill out your card details, and you'll have to go through the process of that. Now, once you've got some money deposited into your Binance account, okay, now what you want to do is come up to trade, and then we can either go to basic, classic, or advanced. So let's go to the basic. The basic is very easy. You would choose from here what currency you hold, okay, and as you can see with this basic, you don't actually have the Great British Pounds, but remember you bought Bitcoin, so you would choose Bitcoin. So your fiat currency won't show up here, so you choose your Bitcoin, and then you say what do you want to exchange it for, and then from this drop down menu you would choose TRX, which is Tron. You would then click on preview the conversion and go through the conversion that way. Now, if you don't have Bitcoin and you have maybe another coin, you can choose from this drop down menu what coin you want to do. So that's how easy it is to buy Tron inside Binance.